DockerScout is a collection of software supply chain features that appear throughout Docker user interfaces and the command line interface, CLI. These features provide detailed insights into the composition and security of container images. DockerScout analyzes image contents and generates a detailed report of packages and vulnerabilities that it detects. DockerScout can also help provide you with suggestions for how you can remediate issues discovered by the image analysis. Advanced Image Analysis. Advanced Image Analysis is a feature in Docker Hub which, when enabled, triggers a DockerScout analysis every time you push an image. The analysis updates continuously, meaning that the vulnerability report for an image is always up to date as new CVEs are discovered. No need to rescan an image. Advanced Image Analysis is a DockerScout feature for Docker Hub. When you activate Advanced Image Analysis for a repository, Scout analyzes new tags automatically when you push to that repository. Advanced Image Analysis is more than point-in-time scanning. The analysis gets re-evaluated continuously, meaning you don't need to rescan the image to see an updated vulnerability report. Artifactory Integration. Users of JFrog Artifactory, or JFrog Container Registry, can integrate DockerScout to enable automatic analysis of images. For more information, integrating DockerScout with JFrog Artifactory lets you run image analysis automatically on images in your Artifactory registries. This integration is made possible by a monitoring agent. The agent is a standalone service that analyzes images and uploads the result to DockerScout. How it works. The DockerScout Artifactory agent is available as an image on Docker Hub. The agent works by continuously polling Artifactory for new images. When it finds a new image, it performs the following steps. 1. Pull the image from Artifactory. 2. Analyze the image. 3. Upload the analysis result to DockerScout. The agent records the software bill of materials, SBOM, for the image, and the SBOMs for all of its base images. The recorded SBOMs include both operating system, OS, level and application level programs or dependencies that the image contains. Additionally, the agent sends the following metadata about the image to DockerScout to record. The source repository for the image. Build instructions. Build date. Tags and digest. Target platforms. Layer sizes. The agent never transacts the image itself, nor any data inside the image, such as code, binaries, and layer blobs. DockerScout CLI. The DockerScout CLI plugin provides a terminal interface for DockerScout. Using the CLI, you can analyze images and view the analysis report in text format. You can print the results directly to stdout, or export them to a file using a structured format, such as Static Analysis Results Interchange Format, SARIF.